Martabak manis Indonesian filled thick pancake. Ingredients: 250 grams all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon bicarbonate soda, 2 handful ground peanut, 75 grams sugar, 150 grams cheddar cheese, 350 milliliters water, 1 egg, 1/4 of a teaspoon salt, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, condensed milk, 1 teaspoon water, 3 handful chocolate chunk. Directions: mix egg and 25 grains sugar until well combined, then add the 350 milliliters water, mix it well, then add the flour and salt. Whisk it until no lumps appear and let it set aside for about 1 to 2 hours. Prepare your filling. You can use as in the recipe or you can just adjust with your taste, like using Nutella, Toblerone, Cadbury, cream cheese and Oreo. It is all about your taste. While you preheat your pan, take the batter, mix the bicarbonate soda with 1 teaspoon water, then add into the batter, mix them. Make sure your pan is hot enough and on low heat, pour half of the batter, or depends on your pan size, and spread the batter to the edge of the pan to make the crust. Then leave it until the bubble comes out into the surface. When it is halfway done, take some sugar and sprinkle it on top of the martabak manis evenly. Put the lid and wait until it is done. Crispy and golden brown on the outside, but moist in the inside. When it is still hot, spread the 2 tablespoons of butter all over the martabak manis. Then cut them into half. Filling the martabak manis, if you want to try the traditional one, then you can sprinkle the chocolate sprinkle. On top of it add the crushed peanut, sesame seed, and the last is the condensed milk. Put the filling on the both side. Then flip one side to the other. Then cut it. Don't forget to try the cheese and condensed milk filling for the remaining batter. This filling is the most popular in Indonesia. You can also add cheese into the traditional filling.